Hi everyone, welcome back to Polariz.ai. Every child is different, and that's especially true when it comes to speech development. There's no one size fits all approach, and that's why personalization is at the heart of everything we do at Polariz.ai. My name is Rose, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a personalized speech plan for your child. This plan helps you guide their sessions, track progress, and make sure they're practicing the skills that matter most to them. All right, let's get started. Let me show you how easy it is to personalize a lesson plan for your child using Polariz.ai. There are two simple ways you can do this. First option, you can go to AI speech coaching section. You can click on one of our AI speech coaches. Once you do that, you will see an option to personalize your child's speech plan. Here, you will be asked two quick questions. One about your child's receptive skills. It really depends on the different kind of concepts that your child understands and how well they understand language. If you're not sure, you can click on not sure. If they know common objects in around houses, you can click on that. Or you can click on the fruits and vegetables and animals, alphabets and numbers, emotions, days of the week, months of the year. If they don't know fruits and vegetables, but they know emotions, days of the week, then you can do that. Just pick the ones that your child is comfortable with. Let me pick common objects around house and alphabets and numbers for this video. And the second question that you'll be asked is expressive skills. Basically, how does your child express their wants and needs? How comfortably they can communicate. So you can select all that applies to you. They use single words, whether they point, whether they use single sentences, multiple sentences, whether they just take parent to the object, whatever it is, however your child express, you can click those. For today, let's just say does not express needs, point, and single words. You could also add some notes that you might want to share about your child, and then you can create using Polariz.ai. And Polariz.ai will automatically generate a personalized speech plan tailored specifically to your child. So let's create. There you go. That's how you can create a personalized speech plan for your child, depending on their current comfort level. All these lessons are curated depending on our answers. And the second option is you can personalize it directly from your dashboard. Up on the bar, click on dashboard. Once you get to your dashboard, you should see a personalized tab where you can click on it, fill out the same questions, receptive and expressive skills, and you'll receive a customized speech plan for your child. And the best part about all of this is these plans are very flexible. You can always change them, update them, modify them as your child grows and moves through different learning stages. As you can see here, we can always update the speech plan and then just click on update with AI and it should update your speech plan. This is how Polariz.ai grows with your child, making personalized learning very possible, very simple, and very adaptive and stress-free. And that's it. You've now created a personalized plan designed specifically for your child's needs and goals. This plan will continue to evolve as your child grows and progresses, helping you stay confident that they're getting the right support at the right time. You can also book a session with our licensed speech specialist when you feel ready for additional support. And I'll walk you through step by step as to how you can do that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.